First of all, good morning to everyone. Students, here I am using the board as well as the screen. So which one is comfortable for you, you can go for that. Okay. Now you can see on the screen. On the screen it is showing the two parts which I will teach today. That one is the attribute, and especially in that attribute I will discuss rules and summary. I will discuss rules and summary. These are the two attributes. Rules plays a vital role in your creation of web page. Okay, now that I am going to discuss. Now, first of all, I am going to write the program. So first of all, I will show this program to you. I am directly writing on the notepad. HTML 8 title, use of rules in HTML / title / head body. Now I'm going to work on table, so I must use the table tag. Now here I am going to use the attribute rules. It contains many attributes, but one thing please keep it in mind. Already I said you, whenever you want to work, on your exterior border, that means the border must be present over there. Okay, in that case you must use the attribute border equal to 1. Okay, I am going to write here border equal to 1. Why I am writing, I will say you, my dear, because rules works in for the interior border and frame works for your exterior border. So there is no effect on the exterior border. That's why I have used the border equal to 1 here. Okay, now I am going to use the first part, rules equal to calls. Here calls means to display only the columns, no rows to be displayed. Now I'm going to use rules calls, and now going to create a table which contains 2 rows and 2 columns. See here. TD13/TD/TR. My first row is created. Now I'm going to work on the second row. This is my next row data. And now I will close it. Students, you can see on the screen, there are 2 rows. First row is here and the second row is here. Okay, now I am going to use the tag /table to complete and body as well as HTML. Now students, in this case what will happen? Your table will be made in this way. Just you see it. It will have your table which contains 2 rows and 2 columns. But here I have used rules equal to calls. That means only column will be made, my dear. And here you will get 12, 13, 17, and then 18. There will be no rules. Now I'm going to save this file. I'm going to save this file with name A. File save as a.html. Okay, I have saved. Now I am going to run that file. Where is my area? It is here. Now I am going to open it. Now can you see? Yes, your table has come, but it is not showing row. It is showing only your column. Let me zoom it. Got it? This is the benefit of, yes, rules equal to calls. Students, now you have to see the board. Okay, now you have to see the board. Students, now I am going to explain. Now I am going to explain the benefit of rows. In the previous one document, I have taken the benefit of only columns, but in this HTML document, I will use the benefit of rows. Only one changing that you have to do, my dear. Instead of calls, you will write here rows, ROWS. Now, only rows will be visible and your columns will be hidden. Now, I am going to save this. Now, I am going to run it. Wait, what is the name of the file? A. Yes, this is my file. So, I am going to open this file. Now, check it. What is showing on your screen, my dear? It is showing which has no columns, only showing your rows. So this is the benefit of, yes, what? Rows. Students, now students, I'm going to discuss the benefit of groups. Now what is groups? Friends, when I am using the groups, in that case, my all the interior border will be hidden. It means that I will be, okay, I'm going to show you, wait. Now, see here, how it will show it. You will be having your border in this fashion, but whatever the values that you have, that values will not have either rows or columns. Okay, directly it will show your value like this. Suppose here it is 12, then 12 it will be. Next one will be 13. Next one will be 17. Next one will be 18. Now you can see, my dear, in this I'm not showing my rows and columns. Okay, because in groups your all the values will be in a group. Yes, without any border. Just now I'm going to save it. File, save. I'm overwriting on the same file. Okay, now I'm going to open it. Just to watch it. Now what happened? Just now you can see on the board, sorry, on the screen. You have your values, but can you identify that how many columns are there in first row? No, You will say, sir, it is 1230, because it is not separated by the border. Because why it is not separated? Because I have forced my web browser that there should be no rows and columns. Okay. Now I am going to discuss the use of all. Now, by default, your rules is what? All. If you will use all, now your interior, yes, borders will be displayed, yes, in your table. Now I am going to show you. I've used all. What will happen? Now you see. Now you will be having your interior border also. Now I'm going to show this one. Let me save this file again. And now I'm going to open the same HTML file in Google Chrome. Now, can you see here, whatever the borders we were having, interior borders, that was hidden by groups. Now, in this, it is displaying. This is the benefit of all. Okay. Now, students, I'm going to discuss the use of none. Students, your groups and none both are same. Okay, there is no difference between none and group. Whatever output that you will see using the value groups, same you will see in none also. Okay, I'm going to show you. Just now I have changed from groups to, sorry, from all to none. Now I'm going to save this. And I'm going to show it also using the Google Chrome. Now, can you see? The same thing it is showing you. See, again I'm showing you. Again I'm showing you. Here I've used none. Now I'm showing you groups also. What is? What is? See, both will be same. Both will be same. Is there any changing? No. So this is the benefit of none. Either you use none or groups. Anyone you can use it. Yes. I hope you all have understood this topic, my dear.